Dan. Dan, how old are you? I am 13 years old. Okay, Dan, how are you today? I am good. Good job. Okay, Dan. Let's start our speaking test, okay? I'm gonna ask you some questions. Okay, Dan. Are there any environmental problems in your area? Yes. What are the environmental problems in your area? Water pollution, air pollution, flood. Okay, okay, that's good. Let's start this one, okay? I will ask you a question and you will answer, okay? Okay, Dad, where is the South Africa? Oh, most of America. Africa, not America. Africa. Africa. Okay, so can you tell me what are the capital cities? Victoria. Cape Town. Cape Town. Okay, very good. Now let's talk about how many languages they can speak. 11 languages. 11 languages. And how many percentage they can speak English. Now let's talk about the literacy or literacy rate. So what about the literacy rate? What is the literacy rate? 88? 88. Point 7. Okay, 2000, year 2007. Year 2007. Okay, and what about the tier system? They have primary school, high school, and tertiary education. Okay, very good. Now let's talk about the food. What is the food, or what are the food in South Africa? Heavily meat-based. Why? By producing. Very good. Now, if I will visit South Africa, what are the best places to go to? Kruger National. Okay, next is and beaches. Yards. Cities. Okay, so these are the best places. Okay, now let's move on to the last part. Okay, which campaign would you like to do in your area? Can you choose? What do you like to promote? You're going to conduct environmental campaign. Choose the most effective solution in your opinion. What do you like? Okay, why? Why do you like? Because there is what is the problem? Because in Vietnam, there is air and pollution. Because there are many public transport. So I want to protect the environment and campaign people use public transport. Okay, to avoid too much air pollution. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.